Hi digital marketer, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up page visit as name of view item event for Pinterest tag by using Google Tag Manager. In the previous video, we saw that how to install Pinterest tag with Google Tag Manager. But first thing first, today we are showing you little much advanced topic which is custom JavaScript variable for the Pinterest array. Then now question rise on your mind that why we use a custom JavaScript for variable. So let's get started. This is our Google Tag Manager container, and also that is our Google Tag Assistant. And now in the Google Tag Assistant, our view item is activated so that our data layer is successfully enabled. Firstly, we have to understand that which require parameter we have to send with the Pinterest page visit event, so that we are back to the Google Tag Manager and create a new tag, new, and here find out our Pinterest tag. Here we find out the Pinterest tag, click it, and our tag ID. Already we have created our variable in the first video, that is Pinterest tag ID, and HTML for page visit is not necessary. Event to fire, which event we have to track, that is page visit. So select the page visit. Here we are seeing that line items. One is product ID, second is product category. But in this case, we are do not creating the parameter for that. We are go to the custom parameter and creating the custom JavaScript variable. Why we are creating the custom JavaScript variable? In answer, I will say that if you go to the help.pinterest.com and here you see the at events course sections, see that for the product ID parameter, Pinterest recommended that line items array, and also for the product category they are also suggested to create a line items array. Now question is, what is the line items array? Line items is a array you can create by custom JavaScript. I will give you the short code. That code you have to use in the custom JavaScript variable. Before creating a line items array variables, we are created the items variable, then click it new, and here is a data layer variable, and according to our data layer for the items array, we are go to the Google Tag Assistant, and here we see the view items event as a Pinterest page visit event. Here we see the items. How we can create the items variable? First you have to pick the parental topic as e-commerce, and under the parental topic commerce we have to pick the child topic as a items. So copy the e-commerce first and paste it, and again we are copy the items, then paste it. The name will be the DLV items. Save the data layer, and now time to create a custom JavaScript data layer named line items. So click the new and variable configuration. Here we pick the custom JavaScript. By using this code, we have to activate our line items array. Here we see the bar product. Here we putting our DLB items variable which we are created before. So DLB items, we have to click that, and now we have to understand that why we are using this JavaScript code. If the left side you can see that product ID and the right side is item ID. Product ID is a Pinterest schema and item ID is a GA4 schema which built our website data layer, and as well as product name. Here in the left side you can see product name, that is our Pinterest schema, and item name is our GA4 schema. So by using this code we have to create line items array. So here we putting a name, that is Pinterest array. Save it. We have to need a more variable, that is event ID. So now we have to create a event ID variable. So click the new, and here we find out the event ID, click it. That is our event ID, and here we're giving a name, that is event ID. Save it. So finally we are created all our required parameters for Pinterest page visit event, line underscore items, and value will be our Pinterest array which we are created before. So select the Pinterest array. Our first custom parameters are set, and now time to second one, that is event ID. And event ID also we putting the value event ID. Almost we are done. Now time to create a trigger. So clicking the plus sign, we have to create a new trigger. That will be the custom event. Now, what is the event name? We are back to the Google Tag Assistant and copy our event name, that is view item, that is according to the GA4 schema. So copy the view item and paste the view item in the event name sections. Here we're giving a trigger name, that is event view item. Save it, and now finally giving a tag name, that is Pinterest page visit event. Save it. Now go to the preview sections. Our tag is working or not, and so go to preview and connect and scroll it. Now go to any product page as a view item event, and for the Pinterest will be the page visit event. And now back to the Google Tag Assistant. Looking great. Our Pinterest page visit event is fired successfully. So click the Pinterest page visit, and here see our value is working perfectly. Our line items parameter and event ID parameters are showing here. If you go to the Pinterest tag helper, click it. Here see our page visit event was sent successfully, and type here seeing the JavaScript and our product page URL, and all the array are showing here. And here you see the event data is the line items according to the Pinterest requirement which we are talking about before. So thanks for watching this video. I will see in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.